Right, today we're making an incredibly good curry using our horse mushrooms, the Katsu curry. We need to start off obviously by picking our horse mushrooms. These are in the agaric family, brown gills, but they have a distinctive smell, a bit aniseedy. So I'll start with the sauce. I use 1 butternut squash, 1 onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Pop that into a pan with a little bit of water and boil it, a bit like making soup. Then we've got our flavouring for the sauce, a bit of coconut, brown sugar, turmeric, mild curry powder, a teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and then that's going to go on top of that boiling soup. And then we'll just cook it up a little bit, maybe 5 minutes, and then we're going to blend it, and we want it to be like a really thick, luscious soup. Some recipes call for adding flour, but I don't want to add flour to mine. That's why we've got the butternut squash in there to make it super thick and juicy. And then we'll go on to the crispy part. So we've got our agarics, our mushrooms, pop them in a little bit of flour, lightly salted and peppered, and then it's going to go in a little bit of egg, and then we've got some super crispy panko breadcrumbs, and we want to cover it as much as possible with those breadcrumbs. Before we fry it up, next in the pan we just got a little bit of water, and we'll fry it, and we want to get it crispy, so we're going to fry it for maybe like 3 minutes on each side, because we want the mushroom to be cooked as well. I'm serving mine on top of rice, and then I've made like a really nice pickled ginger, so I peel the ginger into ribbons, and then pickle it in a bit of apple cider vinegar, and just serve that with a bit of salad. And then that's it, blended thick katsu curry sauce going on top. And that's it, our vegan alternative to a chicken katsu curry made with horse mushrooms that we've foraged.